Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the COSCO 2-Step Kitchen Stepper, a versatile and convenient folding step stool perfect for both adults and kids. This multifunctional stepper sits flush against your counter, making it easy for the entire family to reach those high places with ease. Designed with convenience in mind, it folds flat for simple storage, ensuring it won't take up unnecessary space in your home. Safety is a top priority, featuring a rear safety bar and an extra-large, slip-resistant platform step for added security and comfort. With an ANSI Type 2 rating, it boasts a robust 225-pound load capacity, making it a reliable choice for various tasks. Whether you're reaching for that top-shelf ingredient or helping your little ones brush their teeth, the COSCO 2-Step Kitchen Stepper is your go-to solution for safe and easy access. Don't miss out on making your daily tasks more manageable with this essential household tool. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.